In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe integration with HubSpot. Whether you're new to this platform or just looking to streamline your payment processes, this tutorial is designed to guide you through each step clearly and efficiently. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your trial guide on HubSpot. Go ahead and log into your HubSpot account if you aren't already, and look around for your trial guide. It should help you familiarize yourself with the interface and get you into the flow of things. Once you're in, the next step is to head over to the marketplace. This is where you'll find all the apps and integrations HubSpot has available for your use. It's like a treasure trove of tools that can make managing your business a whole lot easier. Finding it is simple. From the main dashboard, just click on Marketplace. Once you're there, keep an eye out for an Apps tab. Click on it. This will lead you to a more focused area where you can look for specific applications that you need. There are so many useful apps at your fingertips, so don't hesitate to explore other options too when you have the time. Now, in the search bar provided, type in Stripe. HubSpot's search functionality is pretty straightforward, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for in the vast array of available tools. After typing in Stripe, you should see a few results pop up on your screen. Look for the option labeled Stripe Payment Processing. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed to its page. On the Stripe Payment Processing page, you'll find an Install button. Click this button to begin the installation process. HubSpot will guide you through the necessary steps to connect your Stripe account with your HubSpot platform, ensuring seamless payment processing. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete the installation. It's usually a pretty smooth and quick process. With Stripe installed and integrated into HubSpot, you'll be ready to handle transactions more efficiently, managing your customers and payments under one roof. This integration helps automate tasks that could otherwise be time-consuming, and it provides a more cohesive experience for both you and your clients. And there you have it. You've just learned how to integrate Stripe with HubSpot, setting the stage for a more streamlined and efficient payment handling system. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues along the way, be sure to check out HubSpot's support resources or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.